Chiliz cost fundamentally equivalent to $0.0719 a coin, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The present exchanged cost range, 0.0704-0.0732, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 0.0707 in a significant way. The change basically was plus 0.0012, plus 1.70%. Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Reverse rate, United States dollars to CHZ. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, June 22. Cost $0.073, essentially greatest 0.078. Least 0.068 in a really significant way. Chiliz conjecture on Friday, June 23. Cost $0.075, most certainly greatest 0.080, certainly least 0.070, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, June 26. Cost $0.073, most certainly greatest 0.078. Especially least 0.068, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.075, sort of most extreme 0.080, really least 0.070, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost $0.075, truly greatest 0.080. Exceptionally least 0.070 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.076, essentially most extreme 0.081, least 0.071, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost $0.073, truly most extreme 0.078, really least 0.068. Which basically is very critical. Chiliz gauge on Monday, July 3, cost $0.074, genuinely most extreme 0.079, by and large least 0.069, which really is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, July 4, cost $0.073, for the most part greatest 0.078, certainly least 0.068, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, July 5, cost $0.072, genuinely most extreme 0.077, essentially least 0.067, showing that Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost $0.073, exceptionally greatest 0.078, genuinely least 0.068, which really is very huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost $0.060, genuinely greatest 0.064, certainly least 0.056 in a kind of huge manner. Chiliz figure on Friday, July 7, cost $0.060, extremely greatest 0.064, exceptionally least 0.056, or so they especially thought. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost $0.061, genuinely greatest 0.065, most certainly least 0.057, which essentially is very critical. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, July 11, cost $0.056, fundamentally most extreme 0.060, especially least 0.052 in an essentially significant way. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, July 12, cost $0.057, by and large most extreme 0.061, really least 0.053, which in a real sense is very critical. Chiliz estimate on Thursday, July 13, cost $0.053, kind of greatest 0.057, truly least 0.049. Especially further appearance how Chiliz figure on Friday, June 23, cost $0.075, essentially most extreme 0.080, least 0.070, or so they in every practical sense thought. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost $0.053, sort of greatest 0.057, all things considered, least 0.049. Chiliz estimate on Monday, July 17, cost $0.054, all things considered, greatest 0.058, exceptionally least 0.050 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18, cost $0.054, essentially greatest 0.058, least 0.050, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. In about a month Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, July 19, cost $0.055, sort of most extreme 0.059, truly least 0.051, or so they really thought. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, July 20, cost $0.054, most certainly greatest 0.058, genuinely least 0.050, which by and large is very huge. Chiliz figure on Friday, July 21, cost $0.054, especially greatest 0.058, exceptionally least 0.050, so the earlier day close, 0.0707. United States dollars to CHC today. United States dollars to CHC conversion standard, essentially equivalent to 13.9082 coins per $1 in a sort of large manner. Today's reach, 13.6631 to 14.2042 in an extremely significant way. The past day's nearby, 14.1443, change for now 0.2361, 1.67%. Which sort of is genuinely critical. United States dollars to CHC cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, in a kind of significant manner. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Thursday, June 22, cost 13.699 coins, kind of greatest 14.706, for the most part least 12.821. Which explicitly is genuinely huge. United States dollars to CHC expectation on Friday, June 23, cost 13.333 coins, really greatest 14.286, most certainly least 12.500, or so they basically thought. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Monday, June 26, cost 13.699 coins, beautiful most extreme 14.706, genuinely least 12.821 in a significant way. United States dollars to CHC forecast on Tuesday, June 27, cost 13.333 coins, kind of greatest 14.286, fundamentally least 12.500. In multi-week dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, June 28, cost 13.333 coins, especially greatest 14.286. Lovely least 12.500 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to CHC expectation on Thursday, June 29, cost 13.158 coins, fundamentally most extreme 14.085, certainly least 12.346 in a huge way. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Friday, June 30, cost 13.699 coins, in every practical sense,